Hi guys, we're at Great Northern Terrace level crossing in Lincolnshire with Shane and Andrew. Hang on a minute, Whitey. There we go.
Oh, the clutch is working fine. Doink, 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 doink. That bloody busted. That actually scared the shit out of J&T. Right, if we ever use the right phone, we wait for our 13, 14, 2 kilo, 42 East Midlands train service in Peterborough. Well, it is that branch.
Also, my ones from Monday, my iPhone does not like uploading them for some reason. It always says, can't upload to you, could not publish Lincoln Central / GNT 180814.
Do it on your computer.
Probably, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Probably because it can't be bothered. Here's a 3.
Hello, Murky.
That was like 302 by the Gap.
3-2 in the gap. Go away, you Facebook.
302 also has the Gap. Hello, floating barrier. Here she is. 153 326. 153 326 from Peterborough. Where we will be on the 13th of September. Anyways, there it goes. Sit.